When you have a business, you most likely have a vision of where you want your business to go. If you're like many business owners, you think about your business the majority of your time. You think about the products and services that you offer or that you want to offer. You think about your ideal client. You think about how much money you want to make. And you think about how you want your business to grow. So why does it seem like it's such a challenging process to take all of these thoughts and put them into a written business plan? In today's podcast episode, I'll help you take some simple steps so that you can create a business plan that will solidify your ideas and keep you on track to create the successful business that you've been spending so much of your time thinking about. Getting everything out of your head and on paper will not only help you make sure that you're taking action on all your ideas, but it will help you to see where you may need to make improvements within your business. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant, listen in and make now the time that you finally take the step to write your business plan so that you can stop thinking that it's just another task that you should be doing, that you're unsure about how to get started, afraid of doing it wrong, or anxious about what you need to include. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Hey there! If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, you're building your business and you're serious about growing your business to your first 6 figures, trending towards multiple 6 figures, or even 7 figures, I want to invite you to join me in a free consultation call. I've created a business strategy and growth program that is the program that you need that helps you take your business to the next level. It sets the foundation for you to build, grow, and scale your dream business for the long term. It's for you if you are a business owner who desires to build a successful business and you want to do it in the most accelerated, streamlined, and sustainable way, and in a way that aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. I'm really proud of the work that my clients and I do in this program and the transformation that happens for my clients through this one-on-one consulting process so that they can fully reach their dreams, set the foundation for their business, and create belief and actions to achieve what is possible by taking control and understanding their business, which leads to a balanced and more fulfilled life. There are limited spots available because of the very high level of support included in this program, and because I'm also very serious about helping my clients get results. I'm helping clients get their businesses started, be more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal life. Your business finances are impacted by much more than just your bookkeeping and financial knowledge. You need a solid business foundation. During your consultation session, we'll work together to go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. If this sounds like you, I want you to sign up for one of my free consultation sessions. And if you're at a place where you know that you're ready for this level of business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support with high-level business discussions that will give you the exact next steps and the ability to reach your goals and achievements, let's get on a call so that we can talk about and see what's possible for you and your business this year. You can go to financialadventure.com/contact-us to schedule your call today. I'll post the link in the show notes for you as well. Welcome back. Whether you're just starting your business or side hustle, or you've been an experienced business owner for a while, you've undoubtedly heard at some point in time that you need to create a business plan. Just the words business plan make business owners feel their anxiety take over them. The first thing that I want you to know is that there is no reason you need to worry or feel overwhelmed when you write a business plan for your business. If you've felt this way in the past, I want you to take a deep breath and tell yourself that creating a business plan can be easy. For many of my clients, I tell them it is truly simply taking all of the thoughts that they have about their business and writing them down so they can see everything in one place. The second thing that I want you to be aware of is that your business plan is not going to be something that you write once and never make any adjustments again. It will not be written in stone, and you can make changes to it as your business pivots or as you come up with new ideas. This thought alone should help the majority of you who are afraid of getting started on your business plan because you feel like everything has to be perfect from the start. Your business plan will reveal not only your current vision of your business, but it will also list your short-term and your long-term goals, which will help you to see how your business will do financially. When you start working through your business plan, you'll quickly start seeing just how profitable your business could be, or if you notice your profits are not where you want them to be, you'll be able to quickly make changes to your business plan so that you can generate the profits that you intend to see. Your business plan will be broken down into 6 simple sections, and each section will contain information about you as the business owner and your business. We'll start with the first section, which is the executive summary. Although I'm going to talk about this section first, many business owners feel that this section is the easiest to prepare after they go through all of the other sections. Your executive summary section is a summary of your business. It should be relatively short, but direct and to the point. You'll want to be able to list the facts of your business and give the highlights of your detailed business plan. The following section will be about your business. In this section, you'll write about the specifics of your business. You'll include information such as your business name, address, owners, and employees, as well as the objectives of your business. This is where you can include your short-term and your long-term goals. Next, you'll write about your products and your services. Here you'll expand on what you offer in your business, as well as your pricing structure, who your ideal customer is, and how your products or services will benefit them. Your market research, marketing, and your sales will be the next area that you cover in your business plan. In this section, you'll explain your approach to your business, how your products or services fit in the existing marketplace, how you differentiate your products or services from the rest of the market, or how you're filling a gap or a need that currently exists. The next section will be all about your financial analysis. Don't let this area scare you. If you've been listening to this podcast, you already know what you need to do to master your small business finances. When you're creating your financial plans, you want to create a budget if you don't already have actual financial data. Or if you do already have financial data, you can use this information. You'll want to include your profit and loss or your income statement, as well as your balance sheet information for the current year, as well as past years. And lastly, you'll want to create your financial projections, or how you realistically see the future of your business financially. You can break this information down by month, quarter, or year. You can list the sales that you're projecting as well as your costs to show what your projected profits will be in the future. I know forecasting your financial information may seem overwhelming, but the key to having reliable projections is to keep your information as realistic as you can. You can also include an appendix with all of the information that you have or any attachments that would support these areas of your business plan. This appendix may consist of legal documents, licenses, or even contracts. That's it, the 6 areas you should cover in your business plan. Getting all of your ideas out of your head and into your business plan is essential for your business. And it doesn't matter if you're all in with your business or if you're just starting with a side hustle. Whenever you have any sort of business, your business plan is something you should get started as soon as you can. And once you have written your first draft, take time each year to review it and make any necessary changes so that it's as accurate as possible. Your business plan will help you define your thoughts about your business currently, as well as how you want your business to grow in the future. Not only will it help you expand your vision, but you'll be able to utilize each area as a roadmap to establish the exact steps for getting to your ultimate destination with your business. So are you ready to cross off writing a business plan from your to-do list? That's exactly what my clients are doing this month in the Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. I've created a business plan template that walks you through each section of the business plan that I covered today, and it asks simple, straight-to-the-point questions for you to answer. As you answer each question, you're essentially creating your business plan. Yes, it can be that easy. If you want to join us in the Profit Lab, you can go to financialadventure.com/profit, and you'll get access to this template as well as our live weekly business meeting and coaching calls. I created the Profit Lab to ensure that you have everything that you need to create a profitable side hustle or business. When I work with my clients, they have their bookkeeping up to date, understand their financial statements, and are able to see exactly how profitable their business or side hustle is. We work together to see their best options for generating additional sales, as well as where they could cut back on expenses or utilize the best solutions for their business. They can see the possibilities that are available to them so that they can create a successful and profitable business. They ask questions that are holding them back and get answers when they need them. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or business, or you're already making money with your existing business, I'd love for you to have these results and experience the same benefits when you work with me. You can either sign up for a free session with me by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button to schedule a consultation call, or if you're ready to make sure that your side hustle is profitable for you, join us in the Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. If you have a side hustle or are a solopreneur and you're struggling with getting your business started, growing your business, and generating revenues, you need to join us in the Profit Lab. In the Profit Lab, you'll find ways to create a more profitable side hustle or business so that you can keep that additional money in your pocket. We help you make decisions, generate revenues, and create a life that you can enjoy. I walk through not only understanding the profitability of your side hustle, but also how you can create offers and increase your sales. By taking control of your business finances, you can create the profitable business that you're striving for and meet the goals that you've set to achieve. We prioritize and work on the essential tasks in your business, help you make decisions, and generate revenue while creating a work-life balance that you can enjoy. Where you are right now in your side hustle journey or business is the perfect place for you to join us. And if you're ready to start, don't let thoughts about the perfect offer, confusion about your pricing, or the fact that you're still working for an employer stop you. So, are you ready to join us? Of course you are. By taking action in your business, you'll be sure to achieve your goals. Join us today by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Generating revenues and increasing profits requires you to have the right mindset and accountability so that you get results. This is what we do inside the Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. And it's perfect for you if you're a solopreneur or have a side hustle and you're ready to be more profitable in your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I help business owners just like you who know it's time to do something different because what you've been doing in the past isn't getting you the results you want. We'll make sure you understand your business finances, your next steps, and follow through with the vision that you have for your business so that you can truly enjoy your business. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.